Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for September 26th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair had a very tall wick, went back all the way up past previous support, which would now be resistance. It did pull back and close lower. We are looking for it to overall continue to move sideways. Look for it to potentially move as high as 85.76, possibly down to 83.06. Look for some resistance around 85.00 and look for some support around 84.00. Okay, now moving to the Euro-USD pair. This pair continues to move to the upside. As you can see here, it did close higher, moving in that direction. Look for it to potentially go as high as 136.68, possibly as low as 132.12. Look for some resistance around 135.25 and look for some support around 132.75. Okay, let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This pair continues to move to the upside. It did break previous resistance, is moving higher. Look for it to potentially go as high as 16005, possibly down to 15557. Look for some resistance around 158.85 and look for some support around 157.39. Okay, now let's take a look at the US Swiss. This particular pair gapped down at the open. It's almost retraced it. We have an 89.1% chance of retracement prior to Friday's close. So we're definitely looking for that to happen, and it's almost happened already. We are looking for this pair overall to be moving to the downside. However, we could get a retracement up to 0.9936, possibly moving down to 0.9709. Look for some resistance around 0.9900 and look for some support around 0.9775. Okay, well, that about does it for the charts for today. We don't have any significant news announcements coming in during the next session. We have to wait until Tuesday. As far as what I'm looking for from a trading perspective, if we do get a reversal, we have about a 30 pip area right here, that little window here of opportunity, about 31 pips, that if we get a retracement, we could see it go through there fairly quick. You can see we have an area of resistance and an previous area of support. We did go through it during this session to the downside. If we get a retracement up, basically look to buy and then look to exit. It's that simple. Now this would be a somewhat of a large day. I mean, that would be 112 pips. It's definitely done that in the past. Here the body was 100 pips, definitely went past the 112 pip as far as the range goes, the overall range. So it can happen. Look for it for this particular pair to do that. Overall, also you could look for a retracement from a Fibonacci standpoint. This takes a little bit more into account, a little bit more time as well for the setup to develop. But over the next couple of sessions, we could definitely see this area become an area of interest if we do get a reversal. So that's using a retracement, Fibonacci retracement, as well as a Fibonacci fan. So this would be the area, if we move up, that we would look to grab. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.